Hi there, today I will show you how to install Node.js in Windows machine and then in macOS. Let's dive in. Open any browser of your choice and search download Node.js. First we have the official website. We will click the official website. Then we are in the landing page and here we can see we have multiple distributions for Windows, for macOS and for Linux. We will download the Windows installer at the bottom. Click on the Windows installer. You save it. Once downloaded, we will open it. Now double click on the MSI file and we are ready to install. Click on next. Then I will accept the agreement and I will say next. This is the default location where it will install. I am good with it. Click next. Then we verify that yes, it is adding to path. Yes, click on next and we don't need this option. So I will skip and click on next. And finally, I will click the install and the installation is started and it is finished. Now to verify the installation, let's open command prompt. I will type node -- version to verify that it is installed successfully. Yes, we can see the version here. Next, I will verify the version of npm -- version. It will say npm's version. Now, I will see if pnpm is installed or not. Ideally, it will not be installed. So we need to download pnpm. Open your browser again and search install pnpm. We will go to the official website, the first one. And here we can see that for Windows, we can follow these instructions. We can use either npm or core pack. We will use npm to install pnpm. Using npm, I will copy this command, open terminal, and paste the command that we copied and press enter and it will install pnpm globally. Now let's verify the pnpm version now. And there you go. We have pnpm installed in our system. We will open any browser of our choice and we will say download Node.js. Then we will go to the official website. I will click on the website and here I have the distribution for the macOS. It is showing me the macOS installer. In your case, if you are a Windows machine, it will automatically show you the Windows installer here. But instead of using installer, we will use brew to install in macOS. I will click on using and here I have brew. Then it displays all the commands that I need to run to install Node.js in macOS. If homebrew is not installed in your system, copy this command and open terminal, copy it and paste it and press enter. I have already installed homebrew, so I'm not going to do this. Instead, I will copy the Node.js command. I will copy this. I will open my terminal again. I will press enter. Then it will pull Node22 and install in my machine using homebrew. And after some time, homebrew installed Node.js for us. Let's verify the version. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button, subscribe for more coding hacks, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.